everyone! So for today's video, I'm going to teach you how you can easily create a crew logo in Bloxfruit. So first, in Google Chrome, just head over to roblox.com and from there, just click on create. You can also simply type create.roblox.com on your search bar. Next is you will be redirected in the Creator Hub. Next is just click on Creations, then Development Items, then just select Decals. And from here, just click on Upload Asset, then click on Upload. And from your library, just choose the picture that you want to use as your crew logo. You can also rename your decal. Then once done, just click on Upload. And as you can see, our decal has now successfully been uploaded. Then after that, just click on this three dot button, then open Asset Details. Just copy the link from your search bar by pressing Ctrl+C. And now we're back in Bloxfruits. Just click on this icon. Then in the logo link, just paste the decal link that we copied earlier just by pressing Ctrl+V and press enter. So that's pretty much it. Thank you very much for watching this video. I hope that this helped you on how you can easily create a crew logo in Bloxfruit. Please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to the channel. And I will see you again on the next one. Bye!